you all. This is Jamaican Beauty, and today we're just going to do a quick Canva overview. I know most educators, with everything that's going on, most of the educators in my school have 2 to 3 jobs on the side. So I also have another gig. I teach crafting classes to make extra money. I also am a Canva affiliate. The reason I started off with Canva is because I'm not a graphic designer. I can't even draw. I can't do any of this stuff. So Canva definitely makes everything a little bit easier for me. They have thousands of graphics that's shared. I can edit it, color, skin complexion when I'm doing people. It's just easier for me to start from Canva and build. I didn't branch off to Photoshop yet, but for me, Canva does some of the same things. I'm able to remove backgrounds off the images. It's just so much that I can do. And I just wanted to share some of the things with you all. I started off with the free version. And then I branched off as my business started to grow. I decided, I want to do SVGs instead of just PNGs. And I wanted to sell it on Etsy, whatever I created in Canva. And so using Canva, let me show you guys in my little Etsy shop. So I made this. It's a bundle that I sell. Whatever image that I have, I make an image and I sell it for $2.99, $3.99. That's just something to bring something in for me. I don't have to do any work. I make my images or make my pictures. Then I do my mock-ups using Canva as well. Nothing extra. This is something else that I made on Canva. I wanted to just practice. This is when I first started. And I thought it was cute. I wanted to make a tumbler. So these are the images I used. I uploaded it. You just go to photos right here. And I was able to find the photo. But first I uploaded it. Then I was able to go to photos and my photos were there. I uploaded it and boom, I made my tumbler. So it's just a lot you can do with Canva. And I'm going to show you my process with making the images and also my mock-ups. I think they call theirs mock-ups. So let's get into our Canva review. This is the home page. You'll click create a design if you're starting from scratch, but I have a list of projects that you can look through. So this client wanted a shirt for her child. He's turning 3, and I just gave her several different options that she could choose from based on what she told me. And make sure you create a watermark. And that's in one of my previous videos on making a watermark using Canva. So at this stage, you can click on the top right. It was like create a design or create something. And you can go to the left-hand side. See all those icons over there that you can choose from? Thousands of designs up in Elements. I'm just doing a keyword or keywords, a Easter theme, just to make something really quick for my baby. So I think these are really cute. I'm gonna put something really generic, chilling with my peeps or something like that. So on the left-hand side, you can again click on text, and then you can also adjust the text. Once you click on the text, in the middle part, there is a section that you can edit the font and as well as change colors. So just watch and see how I'm doing it. So as you can see, a lot of editing is taking place, adjusting the font, the sizing, the colors. So Canva just allows you the ability to create different things using your imagination and how you see that everything fits perfectly to fit your needs. Now we're going to highlight and position everything so we can get it in the middle. And you're going to click those 3 little dots and you're going to click position and center. So we're going to get everything centered. Then we're going to highlight it again and press those same 3 dots and group it so we'll have one single piece. Next, I have 2 ways to make your smart ups or your mock-ups. You're gonna go to the left-hand side to elements and find a white shirt, a photo, or any color shirt you want, a photo, and then you're gonna place that image on top of the white shirt just to give your clients pretty much a picture of how their image will look on the shirt. So that's option 1. I wanted to show you option 2. You can go to the top left side and it says upload, and you can upload any image. So for the sake of this video, we're going to upload the same image again. Once you upload that, you can click on that image, click edit image, and then you should see the option for smart ups. So you can choose a variety of different things so that your clients can see that they can put it on a mug or a hoodie or a shirt or journals. And again, that's all up to you, what you use the smart up for, or which version you prefer to use, whether you use the first option or the second option. They also have a control option, so you can choose the sizing of the image that you want on the shirt. If you want it to fill the whole thing, you're going to do it all over, or you just want to custom fit. And to adjust the sizing, I always adjust the sizing based on what I can do and what type of equipment I have. Just want to share that Canva updates your information or saves your information in real time. And I'm showing you some of the stuff at the top. If you decide to share your information, you can do that. Also, you can have them to print off items for you. Or for now, I'm just sharing mine, so I can either use PNG, SVG, PDF, whatever option I would like to choose. Download, I'm going to do a transparent background. And then I'm going to save it. And well, it's going to download, and then I'm extracting everything and I'm placing it in a folder. So this will be my Easter folder, just to kind of have a organized system within my file so I don't have to be searching all over. I use Silhouette Studios because that's my little thing that I'm using. And I can merge that file into Silhouette Studios and play with it even more. But I just wanted to show you my whole Canva process. And I thank you all for listening, and happy crafting, everyone.